In today's video, we will explore which common nutrients are often depleted or deficient in chronic and complex fatigue. We'll also discuss the telltale signs that might indicate deficiency and steer you towards testing these very basic blood markers. So let's start with the fabulous four when it comes to energy production in the body. Firstly, iron. Iron is crucial in energy provision as it transports oxygen around the body. Low levels of iron may result in feeling tiredness, poor exercise tolerance. You may experience a shortness of breath. You may look pale and feel just generally foggy and dizzy. When considering why your iron levels might be low, we would want to think about the potential for blood loss within the body, or a diet low in iron, or just simply poor iron absorption as contributing factors. It's always wise to test your iron prior to supplementation because this will avoid the risk of over-supplementing. When it comes to testing, we would always recommend considering a full blood count, which looks at red blood cells, hemoglobin, MCV, ferritin, and your total iron binding capacity. When it comes to the diet, there are several foods that are helpful here. Animal sources, including red meat, organ meat, poultry, eggs, and seafood. But you also want to consider plant-based iron sources from leafy green veggies, nuts, beans, seeds, and lentils. But the key here is to maximize your uptake of iron from plant-based foods by pairing them with foods that are rich in vitamin C, like watermelons, citrus fruits, kiwis, broccoli, peppers, because vitamin C will help you onboard iron into the body more effectively. You may also want to limit your intake of milk and caffeine around these iron-rich foods specifically if you're looking to improve your iron absorption, as these can inhibit your uptake of iron. Next on the list is vitamin B12. Now, B12 is a major player in energy production as it helps us to form red blood cells. But also crucially, B12 helps in the process of metabolizing fats and carbohydrates so that we can use them to make ATP, which is our primary energy fuel. B12 also plays a key role in a process called methylation. Now, poor methylation in the absence of B12 can negatively impact on our energy production directly. So there are quite a few reasons why B12 deficiency is definitely one to correct. There are a few reasons why someone might be more at risk of B12 deficiency, including a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, people who are required to take stomach acid suppressing medications, or those with digestive issues or pernicious anemia. A high intake of alcohol can also block your B12 uptake. Now, B12 deficiency might present as fatigue, brain fog. You may also notice low mood, poor memory, and tingling or pins and needles in your hands and feet. In terms of testing, it can be helpful to look beyond serum B12 testing and consider a fuller picture by capturing the following blood markers alongside. Now, these include folate, hemoglobin, hematocrit, methylmalonic acid, and homocysteine. If pernicious anemia is suspected as a causative factor of B12 deficiency, then antibodies against something called anti-intrinsic factor can also be checked. Now, animal sources of B12 include meat, poultry, dairy, eggs, and shellfish, and these are primary sources, and this is why we might tend to see more B12 deficiency in vegan and vegetarian diets. However, if you follow a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, then you can consider things like nutritional yeast, Marmite, B12 supplementation in the right form to provide this crucial nutrient at optimal levels, and your nutritional therapist can support you around this. The next nutrient in our fabulous four is magnesium. Magnesium is a fundamental nutrient here as it's required to make ATP and to support mitochondrial function to help us to convert glucose into energy. The benefits of magnesium stretch way beyond the mitochondria as it supports adrenal, muscle, bone and nerve health and also the immune system. Now, magnesium deficiency often shows up in the body as fatigue, but also restless legs, muscle cramps, twitching, nausea, palpitations, anxiety, and a general sense of feeling wired. Chronic stress and anxiety can really deplete your magnesium stores, as well as excessive alcohol consumption or a diet high in refined sugars and carbohydrates. There are also some gut disorders like Crohn's and celiac that can interfere with your uptake of magnesium. Now, you can test serum magnesium, but again, this doesn't necessarily give you the full picture, whereas red blood cell magnesium testing can, and that's more helpful. So, how do we improve our access to magnesium? Helpful food sources include pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, dark chocolate, and whole grains. And there are a whole array of choices when it comes to magnesium supplementation, depending on your specific needs, which again, your OHC practitioner can really help you to explore. CoQ10 is our final nutrient in this video. CoQ10 plays a role in energy production, often known as the spark plug of the mitochondria. CoQ10 assists in the production of ATP. Now, what is important to note here is that we naturally see a decline in CoQ10 levels as we age, so we could consider supplementation as we advance in years here. It's also well established that statins deplete levels of CoQ10 in the body. Now, given that statins are widely prescribed, this can be an important consideration as a companion supplement to your medication. Symptoms of CoQ10 deficiency include fatigue, poor balance, generalized muscle weakness, deterioration in vision or hearing, and maybe trouble with coordination and also muscle pain. Nuts, seeds, oily fish, organ meats can offer us CoQ10 in the diet, and we can also again consider supplementation at a therapeutic level to restore optimum levels alongside the diet. The fabulous four here are just some of the basic nutrients we should consider within the fatigue picture, and it really demonstrates why understanding your basic nutrient status can be a really important first step in your fatigue journey. If you're interested in testing your current nutrient status and gaining support around restoring optimal levels, then please do contact us for a free discovery call.